Satay! Oh my god, I can't believe I'm making a satay.
Like a mini kebab.
Hello mga pangga! Welcome back to my channel and this is me, Amberlyn! Yay! So sa mga bagong pasok dyan, welcome sa inyo! Subscribe na rin kayo for good vibes. Our content for today is we're gonna do cooking class, a Balinese traditional cooking class. So sila po yung classmate ko. Yeah. They're from Korea and then we still have one to pick up. I'm excited. So ito pala yung recipe namin. Let's go! That's so small.
Small pineapple we call honey pineapple. Used for making salad. Yeah.
Wow.
We have all small here. All small. We have a small fruit, small island,
Dwarf
and small
pineapple.
people.
Dwarf. So I'm gonna buy a snake fruit.
No need to wash.
No need to wash. Have to
ready
remove
to-
the snake
Yeah, it's
skin.
open the skin, yeah.
Snake fruit.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ah, oh like that. Mm. Okay, you eat that one.
Thank you.
Okay, let's try. Wanna try? How to open this one?
Be careful,
Use
your
your nails. A snake. Hello, it's really look like a snake skin. This is scary.
sour.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, syrup.
Yeah. Be careful inside with a seed, yeah. Like a spoon inside. You have to like that.
Tapos na tayo dun sa market thingy there. We're gonna start our cooking thingy. Are we gonna go there, Bang,
Yeah.
for the cooking?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we're back to the cooking class.
Okay, let's go. So we arrived at the kitchen. We're here. Let's go. Hello.
So this is will be your kitchen.
Wow.
Then take you straight to enjoy your drink and sticky rice pancake.
Okay, that's cool. So this is like a visitors receiving area. So we're gonna sit like this. Hey. Cool.
Rice pancake, yeah.
Oh, still
Made
rice
from
pancake.
rice flour.
Mhm.
And then on the
So, mag-uumpisa na tayong magluto and I'm so excited.
oh,
Master chef. Yeah. Thank you.
when they using like a big follow me to the
Traditional kitchen. Oh yeah? Okay.
soaking the rice in the normal water 5 minutes, and then after that strain and steam here 15 minutes with the hot water in the bowl. So we have hot water in the bowl, yeah, not full, just half. Okay.
So I'm gonna do here.
Yeah. If I do that one. Yeah, it looks yummy.
This will be a peanut sauce.
From here, a little bit to the front, a little bit more.
1.5 teaspoon coriander, and then this is the black peppercorn, 1.5 teaspoon, and this is the white peppercorn. White already. No, not yet.
I'll review the camera.
And then cloves. So only 3, yeah, not 1
There's
spoon.
a strong center.
Yeah, because it's very strong.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now, follow me. We go to the Balinese gym.
Okay.
Exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, follow me.
This is a upper body workout. Okay? Chili.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, now mixing all together, everything, yeah? With the tomato, with the leaf, everything.
This is a tuna wrap.
And then roll all the way. Like I'm making sushi. And then we need to skew here close to the mixer until in the bottom and then bring it up. So, and also for the other than tuna, so you can use like
This is tuna.
or maybe
spice.
tempeh tofu. If you love tempeh tofu, okay. Lime on the top of the chicken.
This is chicken.
And then after that, use the glove only for the working hand.
Okay, gloves. Thank you.
And now,
Then mix it together.
But I think she will put the spices first.
With love. Mix. I-mix na natin together with this coconut.
more down, more slim, like a drumstick.
Satay. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm making a satay.
A mini kebab.
Thank you. Whew. So, dadalhin natin to doon kasi grill.
Okay, you can stop panning so you can reduce the heat.
What's old water? Smells so good. I'm hungry now. Okay.
And then squeeze the coffee lime
Okay.
and drop it in. Squeeze and drop it in.
Squeeze and put it aside.
Yeah, almost done. Yeah.
Oh, this is the sauce.
Okay, you can test it. Masuka. So in Balinese we call it jan sajan.
Jan
Jan
sajan.
sajan is very very delicious. Jan sajan. Yeah.
Jan sajan.
Jan sajan.
Sarap.
It's good. Yeah, you are good cook. Yeah, you're good cook. So instead of sauce gado-gado, you can use the sauce for the chicken satay sauce. Yeah. Okay, your peanut sauce done. We set aside. We set aside. Now you can add the mushroom in, please.
Mushroom. Mushroom. Oh, diba? And mix, mix. Mix, mix.
Okay.
Chicken stock. Together. Everything.
Everything off.
Everything. Ayun. So, lagyan natin ng white pepper. Kampi lang. I think this one.
Salt enough? Or need more salt? Little bit, yeah.
Can we make sure that everyone uses this?
Okay.
The satay.
Tomorrow
We made it.
I made this?
Normally when you you buy gado-gado in the restaurant, they give you the sauce in the middle, and then you need to dip it in. But in here, like a traditional way, mixing everything. So the taste is much better when you're mixing everything, yeah? So this is the peanut sauce.
Gado gado. We're making gado gado.
So mix it together. You have a good teamwork. Very good teamwork, yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you for joining our class. It's my big pleasure to have you in here. But I'm sorry I didn't treat you like a guest in a 5-star hotel. Sorry. I just treat you like our family, just Balinese family, yeah. So once again.
So ayan, we just finished our cooking classes and now it's time to eat! Ito na po yun. So we cook all of this yummy food, Balinese food. Oh my gosh. Looks so yummy. Look at this. This is a chicken.
Chicken stew.
Chicken stew.
Gado-gado.
This is the gado-gado, my favorite.
And tempeh tofu with the
And the
sweet soya.
tofu.
Balinese salad.
Balinese salad. Oh, this is a Balinese salad.
Yeah. Steamed tuna.
Tuna and
And
a satay. So ayan, tapos na tayo sa pagluluto. So I'm with Ayo, the master chef. Yes.
I'm from Ubud Bali cooking class. So if you come to Bali, so visit Ubud Bali cooking class. So we teach you how to cook Balinese dishes, and also we share about our traditional house compound and also our culture.
Yes.
Thank you so much, and hopefully we can meet you in Ubud
Yes.
Bali.
Thank you so much for the great experience, and the Balinese food is so good. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Subscribe for good vibes and for more adventures to come. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!